In today's video guide, I'll provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Image Downloader. This is the extension for the Google Chrome browser, and the developers of this extension indicate that you will be able to download any image on your website page in one click. The trouble is that this particular extension actually operates as adware. Despite its advertised features, the real purpose of this extension is to display intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. In the light of this information, we strongly urge you to be very careful not to install this extension, and if it was mistakenly added, access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, and then disable and remove this extension from your Google Chrome. To make sure that the computer is free of other threats, I also recommend that you carefully research this system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and remove other threats fully from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.